welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to draw these adorable hugging teddy bears with the heart above them. Start by sketching two large circles for the heads of the teddy bears. Make sure they are touching at the sides. Draw small circles on the top sides of each head for the ears. From the bottom of each head, draw two large rounded shapes that form the bodies of the teddy bears. Make them slightly overlapping to show they are hugging. Draw the arms of the teddy bears for the bear on the left. Draw one arm curving around the back of the other bear. For the bear on the right, draw one arm curving around the front. At the bottom of each body, draw two rounded shapes for the legs. Add small circles at the bottom to represent the feet. Above Above the heads of the teddy bears, draw a large heart to symbolize their love. Add shading to the teddy bears to give them a three-dimensional look. Shade around the edges and inside the ears, and add some texture to the fur by drawing short curved lines. Shade the heart to give it a more three-dimensional appearance. Go over your lines with the darker pencil or pen to make the drawing stand out. Erase any unnecessary line. And there you have it, two adorable teddy bears hugging each other with the heart above them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Until next time, keep watching, keep exploring and keep discovering. See you next time. Thank you.